So, hi guys, welcome to my analysis of Banknifty for today. And what is my prediction for tomorrow? Let's see, what is the market is still running. So I just want to just check what is it today's move. As you can see right now, the market um, opened with a big gap up. You can see close to 300 points. Post that, it did a one-way rally here, did a small correction here, and again went up slowly, gradually, and now the market is looking to consolidate in this region. You can see uh, so this is the region where market is consolidating right now. Just mark this region. So my prediction is, so as you can see today, we expect the market to open somewhere here near previous day and play in the within the CPR range, but somehow due to the HDFC Bank rally, so I mean no other bank I'll just show you has rallied so much except for this uh, can say Bank of Baroda as well as HDFC Bank. These two banks actually did a very big rally, and yeah, I can see the HDFC Bank even has come down to the bottom right now. So SBI is also quite bullish today. I think only in the second half it started this rally. After 12 o'clock only we can see a big rally in SBI. So HDFC in the first half, SBI in the second half contributed to keep the market up today actually. So let us see how it goes. All other banks are not all quite neutral, and ICICI is quite sideways today, except this one big small rally here. Don't see any big movement. So what we can expect for tomorrow? Tomorrow, as usual, it's a very narrow CPR. You can see the way it's closing today. The way it's going, it seems like it will be a one-line CPR, almost like a 45, 43 to 1, 30 points ka CPR. So what you can expect for tomorrow? Market is becoming day by day. It's difficult to predict. But let me explain today's trade. What you can trade at today. So first up in the morning, you can see the market went up like this. Somewhere here, there is some kind of order block here. You can mark this area. Also on the upper side, somewhere here we saw some kind of a down move because this was a clear break of structure. Top side. So I was more interested in the downside. So market came up till here, but still market is yet to come down. So it was quite a bullish day today. So this kind of two setups we got today. One is this move where the premium actually went well. Actually, the premiums were running very well. So close to around 100 points, 70, 80 points should have got in even in. You can see. Let me show you the 45, 50, 45,000 call option 5-minute chart. So you can see here close to 136 points we got in an ITM at the money call option also we got good spike. So this was one trade, but it was not very easy to capture this because the momentum was strongly building on the downside. So anyways, someone was trade just this order block concept. would have even captured this trade as well. Let me show you this particular 42, 45, 300 at the money option. Where here 12, 13, 150. 150 candle is here. So somewhere here, if you see, we got still the trade will be running now. 83 points. It's also a good move. This break of structure would have been traded in a shorter time frame. In 5 minutes, I'll not be able to see this trade, but if you see this break of structure here, somewhere here, um, somewhere here, you could have captured 10 minutes. I think in 1 minute you can see that. Somewhere here, there was a break of structure in 1 minute. So market did this and it came and tested this zone again. And see the last green candle here. So it tested that green candle and came back. So collect, if you see that way, so you could have already traded this one also morning. What fall we saw here? 1016 somewhere here. The bottom also you could have captured here. Wait, somewhere here if you had captured also, let's see, you could have captured 111 points here as well at the money. So this move here till here. Actually, market is doing random movements today. So not much of a convincing moments what is happening. Suppose that you can see, even though it rallied like this, came back, came up, came down. It's very dirty swings we can see here. In this kind of market, stop loss only will help you. So what kind of swing is this? What will you trade? This hardly if you are doing at the money or ITM, you'll get some 10-20 points in the scalping. Otherwise, you can't get anything in this market. So this move and this move was the only tradable, but this move, the up move, was completely untradable because there was no pullback, nothing. Market just was going like a rocket. So someone would have captured this, got this based on the order block. So it's difficult to say like which concept will work on a particular day because order blocks, there are lots of imbalances here as well. So not only here, there are imbalances here. You can see here. This order block also if you consider. Market did a pullback here as well. So there was some kind of a like wick here, long wick. Market paused here. So it is difficult to say market when it did such a big upside momentum, like it 90-degree momentum. We don't know, like it may crash it may even come down and test these levels, bottom. We don't know where it will reverse from, where it can reverse. Because see the market momentum when it went like this and sharply it came down like this, we don't know. We come and test even this low. We don't know whether this order block will every time work or not. So that being the case, suppose if you had taken this is a risky entry. Even the stop loss is very less, but this kind of setup generally is not advisable because sharp move upside, sharp move downside. How will you trade? Why this one is when someone is wants to buy this, they can buy here 50% of this range. Suppose market comes here. This is the bottom. This bottom, if it had tested and went up, it would have been a very good trade. Or if it had come, filled the gap and went up, those kind of setups you could have traded. But here it's like, I think it did some Fibonacci. If we calculate Fibonacci ratio here, it took support around 61.8% and it's trying to reverse. So no guarantee that it will go and touch this, but depends like what is the order flow in the market, how the positions are getting built. So ultimately, market will do only that thing which will benefit him, the institutions. Big institutions will do what will benefit them, and this order flow, order blocks, this liquidity, and all is what we have created the concept just for the purpose of or stop losses or just to confirm our entries. These are like safe entries or where we can protect our stop losses. So these are not market can do any random movement anywhere. You could just for a thought, just like that we can say market did like this. It could have created a bull flag like this and gone like this from here. I don't know. Anything could happen. Even tomorrow it can come down. It can do this. So you can see this here. Okay. Suppose if you consider this as a bear flag, market can do this tomorrow. Who knows? See, retailers, there are a lot of patterns here. They will trade. Some people only trade these patterns. If you consider this kind of a move, suppose this is the move on 300 points. So again, if market wants to come down, it can even do this 317 points from here. Somewhere here it will come. It can come to, yeah, exactly. It can come to here. Like what I marked 50% of this range somewhere here. It can come here and close. Again, it can go back from here. Again, it can come here. Suppose. So our view of the market is not to predict where it will go, but just to say what are the possible areas where it can reverse, where it can do the continuation and all that. See again now, still 326 already market has started the reversing from this point. So even this seems like a false bear fact. We don't know what is the psychology behind this. Anyways, so what is the prediction for tomorrow based on CPR? So I don't think so. CPR and all is working. Whatever is working is only the stop losses. Only the stop losses will protect you. Don't take big positions based on seeing these big green candles here. See, especially if you see this red candle somewhere here, when market retraces and it goes like this, at least you can confirm that there is a trend, upper trend like this. But and you can take entries here. Here also you can take some entries because there is some stop losses where you can put. But here where you will put stop loss? Just see, candle has moved almost 150 points in the first 5 minutes. Where if you enter here, 150 points stop loss, you are ready to give to the market. It went, almost closed, went to for 75 points. It went just a matter of half an hour. Where will you trade? How can I say? Because if you see our CPI, it opened R2. It would have come to R1 and taken and went back. It went to R3 and it would have dropped from R3. Or there was R4 level, so it can even go to R4. We don't know. So the setup is just to check where we can trade because the probability is more on the upper side because the trend is upper, but there should be pullback. Without pullback, if you trade, definitely your stop loss will be very big and there's high chances of getting trapped. So when setup is upside, we'll definitely trade this way as well because this will give you some momentum because we can't keep waiting for this kind of setup until market comes till this point. There will be a selling opportunity, right? You have to trade that also, but we have to wait for confirmation also. You can't just enter just seeing a red candle here. So we have to go in 1 minute time frame, look for any break of structure. You can see I already showed you. There's a break of structure here at this point. Again, market went here. There was this kind of a, you can say, order block kind of thing. single candle order block. Market took resistance right there and came back to this order block what was formed in the morning, a 5 minute zone. So this way you have to do some setups and try to trade that. But otherwise, this move what we saw here, 400 points momentum, it was a very big opportunity, but we cannot trade those kind of candles. So let us see. Tomorrow it's a very narrow CPR. You can see a lot of virgin CPRs in the bottom. You can see this is a virgin CPR, yesterday's CPR, day before yesterday. On Wednesday CPR, Tuesday CPR. So you can see 4 virgin CPRs. Will market do all the fill up gap filling of all the virgin CPRs on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday? We don't, because even if it wants to go up, unless there is a pullback, good pullback, and a what do you call should actually test particular order blocks and go up. Unless we do that, there is no entry upper side. Upside, if you want to see, just check out like about this whether the candle closes tomorrow. Previous day high. If it closes above this high, again you have to wait for pullbacks. Pullbacks, suppose I'll just show you. Market goes like this, does this, goes like this, and there is a break of structure. Suppose this is called break of structure. Here there will be some kind of order block somewhere here. So market comes back here, buy. So unless you find this kind of setup, you cannot trade. So remember, so this is the setup. Even if it's going tomorrow upside, do this. Okay, one more thing is, market is going up like this. Somewhere in the top we'll find market will do this. Instead of respect, there'll be the order block here. Instead of respecting this, market breaks down like this. So this is a break of structure, clear break of structure. So market, you cannot sell directly here. You have to wait for a pullback. Even in selling condition, you have to wait for a pullback somewhere here. You can trade till here. Again, market can jump from here because this order block, it would have created another order block somewhere here. While going up, it would have created some other order block. You have to see what is the situation here. The market is respecting this order block, it's breaking. So you can see every downfall up move, there will be a pullback generally. But this move, what we saw today is we don't have that kind of a move. Only in the going while in the second half we saw some pullback trades. That's all. Scalping trades. Here also, the downside, if this got break, this is called break of structure. When break of structure happens, you have to search order blocks on the upside. Somewhere here on top side. Somewhere you have to search like that. This is the kind of setup you can have to find. So market is doing this on a market momentum is good. You can trade in 5 minutes. Otherwise, you have to switch to 1 minute chart and try to find the momentum. Always remember, when market is above the CPR, market will try to be bullish. It's not that market will only the entry will be on the C side or the long side. One short side you will get, but problem is you have to wait for the break of structure. Confirm this, there will be this kind of opportunity. Here also you can see it today. In 1 minute chart, there was a clear break of structure here. 1 minute chart and gave an entry, and even almost it gave at the money options 270 points. At the money it would have given somewhere around 120, 130 points easily. That's what. So the risk is there'll be some risk. If you enter somewhere here, this will be the risk. This is a sell. Somewhere around 20, 25 points, it is risky. You have to be ready to lose that. We don't know because the market momentum, there will be a lot of fake break of structures, fake change of characters. You can see and a lot of fake order blocks. These are all smart money traps actually. Big institutions use as if they don't know these concepts. They also know these concepts. Definitely. Definitely they will also try to trap you. So we have to be very, very careful about the where you put the stop loss and everything. So this is how it is. So tomorrow I feel if market is opening above previous day high, definitely expect 46,000 also. If it goes to 46,000 also, no wonder. You can go and touch 46. We don't know. But somewhere I can see a weakness here. Compared to other days, market is closing. Every day it was closing on the upside. For doing all this, it was closing on the upside, and somewhere here today I saw market is closing on the downside. The high chance tomorrow, market if it falls, I don't know where it will take support. S1, S2, S3, S3 is there. See the complete range in an hourly time frame. Since tomorrow is an expiry, they will dump the premiums till the second half. Somewhere in the second half after 2 o'clock, they will try to do some big momentum of 100, 200 points. That's all. Don't expect some big 800,000 points fall or 800,000 points upside. We don't know. Tomorrow is expiry. Don't expect because premiums will dump all the premiums tomorrow. So this is the range. Current range of the market is this. So this mark here. You mark this range. This range, try to trade. Especially in this below up to 50% only trade the pullbacks. Don't try to buy anything here. C side. P side I can try. P side risk is less because this stop is always until this high is protected. You can trade. It's more like a gambling, but we don't know. So premiums, no guarantee. Index, like index, this is the guarantee. The 45, whatever high it made today, 353 is not broken. Index will remain bearish till this, you can say, this range, whatever is range is there, it will try to come down. Try to find some support somewhere here. You can see some support here. You can find some support here. These are all supports. All these Fibonacci ratios, what you see, all these lines and all will act as a strong support for going up. Even if it comes down very quickly, rapidly, just remember this. If the candle comes down very rapidly, without any retracement, anything like this, very fast, it will bounce back at the same speed. Remember this. Okay, and the candle comes down with a very fast pace. That is the scenario. If the candle is doing this pull back this, and somewhere it stopped doing that, and it's not finding the new low, and the low is protected and trying to do this. Remember, this is something called Wyckoff concept. If the low becomes fixed or low becomes flat, and market is just making lower highs. Once the previous high is broken, definitely market will come here and boom, it will go like this. Remember this. It's called something. There's a concept called Wyckoff concept. So as per this, it can do that. So market, whenever wants to come down, it will do this like this. If it doesn't go up very fast like this on the support, it will do this and again fall very quickly. It will give a very small retracement. The retracement will be very small and it will fall like this. Just to induce just to take out stop losses or just to induce people to enter C. It will not even give 50, 100 points also. 50 points also, it will not move. Just do this and straightly come and fall here also. You don't. It can fall like this. From here, it can be a rocket again. It can go like this. It will take another 3 months to reach this high. It will do all this natak. Every day it will go like small, small. Again fall. Create some order block here. Somewhere it will go. Do double top. Again take out this double top. Do a small retestment here. Like this. It may happen like this also. If it comes very fast here, PE premiums will be. Also India VIX also will go up rapidly. So second time when it moves here, it can go very fast. It can come to even here, we don't know. It can come to even this low. There's something called QMR, Quasi-Moda reversal. There's a concept that market just show you, market this created a lower low, higher high, and went up like this and created a new low, but it went up more, made a new high. Remember, this market, if it comes here again, this level, you can put a stop loss here somewhere below this low. Market can again do this. It can go and again this. But this all concept was what we see in forex market. But I don't know how it works in options because it'll take a lot of expiries to someone is trading in futures as well as having weekly, monthly expiry positions and option selling and all that. They can do all these things, but option buyers, I don't think so. They'll be able to capture all these things considering it will not happen on one day. Take a lot of time. Some big moves may come on expiries, but otherwise you don't expect. So tomorrow, what we can see is that. So this is the overall scenario I'm telling. It can happen in because this is the high. Market doesn't want to go up above here considering momentum has reduced second half. Uh, Let us see how it goes. So always trade on only on pullbacks, even if you want to sell. Try to see back of structure. Try to mark order blocks. If you're not finding order blocks in 5 minutes, go to 3 minutes, go to 1 minute. Also set your targets as per uh, supply and demand zone. Suppose if you have somewhere supply here, try to mark that. There is a prediction, but we don't know. I cannot see. It does not at all. We cannot predict the market like this. Whatever market is doing from last 4 trading sessions, becoming a highly unpredictable market. What it will do, we don't know. So our job is not to predict the market, but analyze and see how we can enter the market and to find opportunities. That's it. So I think that's it. Nifty. Let us see like what Nifty did today. Uh, Nifty is appearing. You can see Nifty has taken out the liquidity here at the top and closed below it. So tomorrow, if the market Nifty comes down and trades below this point, it is 19,337. Definitely, you can expect 19,252 levels tomorrow. It can fall to 19,252. This one trade. That's one level. I'm expecting somewhere if it opens here, tomorrow will be a good opportunity for selling. Let us see. What is the. I don't apply any of these 20 EMA and all that RSI because when the big indicators, when the indicators like CPR is failing, This white CPR, it's market is doing this snap, but it's sideways. I understand, but market did a very big rally. So, without any pullback, nothing to trade here. The small pull, this pullback would have traded. That's all. Thank you, guys. Let me know if you like the content, and please subscribe, like channel, like my videos, and let me know what are your comments on my new video. Thank you.